I'm using the DJI Mimo app, and I'm using the Tech wireless mic. I'm on the number 3, so that should be low. I have to figure this out. If 1 is high, 2 is medium, 3 is low, and long press it to mute. Now, I noticed on the Mimo app, I'm no longer able to control the exposure value at all. I can't click on anything on there but the 1x, and I can control and zoom in, and I could zoom out, as you can see. What I am going to do is stop this, hook it up to the Osmo Action, and see if I see that. I'm on the Osmo Action. I like my setup with the Action 3. It's more flush to the wall because I'm using a microphone. And if I hit the auto, I'm able to have the actual adjustments on there. So DJI, when will we see this available for the Action 3 that is on the Action 1? This is something that is valuable and important to us users. I hope that kind of made sense, that I can come in here and I can't adjust the ISO. I can't adjust the shutter, but I could come in here and adjust my EV value. As you can see, I'm getting darker and lighter as I'm talking to you. So this is something that may be important to some, the adjustment of those values. Thank you very much for your time.